First of all, you need to register for getting access for the remote configuring via the configurator. It can be done from the configurator menu. Specify your contacts and send them to register at 7gis.ru via your mail program or via mail service which you use. After finishing the registration, you can start the remote configuring. Enter your login and password and register your device. For this purpose, specify IMEI and password. By default, password is the same as IMEI. It is recommended to change password. You can see a terminal in the list of devices. If it is red, it means that terminal is on. If it is gray, it means that terminal is not available at the moment. You can view the commands history for each terminal. You can group your terminals. It will be easier for you to control them in such a way. You can change your password. Choose terminal in the list of devices to control it and press OK button. You see the common interface of the configurator. On the right above, you can find device status, information about the state of analog inputs, digital inputs, CAN bus, service and navigation data. Identification data take their common place. You can carry out remote troubleshooting of the terminal. Go to Troubleshooting tab, tick the necessary parameters and wait for data loading. When you go to Settings tab, note that they correspond to default settings. Don't press Apply button until settings load from the device. Load the current configuration of the terminal. Press Load from Device button and wait for data loading. After that, you can change any settings of the terminal. After finishing changing the settings, press Apply button. Note that applying the settings can take from some tens of minutes till some hours, depending on the quality of communication channel. That's why when you change a small number of parameters, use single commands. You will waste less time and get the same result. Remote Configurator allows to send the same commands to different devices, so it is necessary to write commands in the text file and specify it as the command's source. After entering the password, the commands will be executed by each device. The same method can be used if there is no connection with the terminal at the moment. The commands will be executed when the terminal is on again. After finishing the remote configuring, log out the configurator and continue working with it in the local mode.